We designed the Turner table for this season, which is again actually a playful table. It's quite commercial in the expression. We ended up in terms of functionality to have two big surfaces in these two round trays on the table, but added this functionality that you can actually take the lower table and turn it inside the big table if you want to make two levels. I love to combine a lot of tables, and actually this is just a design where I made it possible for the retailers and our consumers to easily buy a table that includes this two heights and double functionality. I love when you put like a small still lib in your living room and so on, that you put some books on the lower table and a vase on the top, so you actually introduce different heights in your interior. The colors are quite basic colors, and we decided to work with the same colors as we had on Michael Linhardt's tables, which is this beige and off-white. So quite simple, easy-going colors, because what you guys are going to do is actually to decorate on top of these beautiful surfaces.